Oh, what the hell? Stop thrusting me, bro. Stop showing up that fast. Damn. I was hoping no one was gonna show up that quick. I was trying to get it out. Yeah, you got it all out. I mean, I try. What's going on, boys? No repo commits in the last 2 weeks though. That's because I actually need to push up something soon, because I should have. Did I push something up for the OpenGL thing? I don't think I did. Or I did. I don't know. I think I did. It's been a minute, bro. All right. I fucked my work completely. I had 370 errors and a big fat memory leak. What are you trying to do, Dragon? Took out hard-coded code from DX12 and Vulkan shit error. Oh, so then yeah, I definitely didn't push up the texture things. Yeah, that's the last thing. Yo, y'all are on my GitHub. Get away from me. Like, dude. I usually just check into general like here and there, and then I go and see these motherfuckers over here like not streaming. Oops, I'm gonna fix that in a year or two. Hey, it's almost like it's almost two years. That was May 16th, 2021. So you on your GitHub? Cause I'm doing things and stuff. I just love that I was the first one to post about it. Oh my god, it's just annoying because like you guys, my shit's just out there, bro. You know, one thing I always wonder is what do you find when you look up my name? So Mike 4 rules. That's the first thing that you find. Oh, so my Twitch pops up almost immediately. My Twitch videos, my Instagram is there. Twitter, my Facebook page, my TikTok, Twitch metrics. Oh, my backstage even pops up. My iFunny? No way. I haven't touched that shit in like years. My SoundCloud. Yeah, good times. No, it's not. No way. Oh, I thought you said it was cheeks. Oh, yeah, no, it's just pictures of me, like all my videos and all that nonsense. iFunny, you say? Yeah, I still have iFunny downloaded on my phone. I just never go on it anymore. So I just stopped because I don't know. I just stopped looking at it for a long time. Like I think it's once I got a job, I stopped looking at it, and I came out to Cali. So it's been like almost 3 years. Okay, so what are you doing? Right now we're trying to get textures working with Vulkan, right? And I think something's breaking, if I remember correctly. I just don't remember what. But yeah, also I have an update for Epic, by the way. Just waiting to like I guess GG gets in here so I don't have to repeat myself multiple times. So I'll be giving you guys the juicy details. Like, oh, he's here, the man, the myth, the legend. I was just talking about you, man. What the fuck? How did you know, bro? I don't know. How did you know I was talking about you? You just so happened to come in here when I was saying something. Yeah. So, punk ass Trip. What are you talking about? So, you guys want the update for what with Epic? The me? I'm a Trip. Oh my god, Bozo is finally on. Dude, I can't take a break. I can't just play games and be happy. Look, if you guys haven't already, some of you guys joined in, like Captain and Yeet, but like I'm trying to transition my friends into the gaming channel. So it's almost like a pseudo live stream, but in real time. And then you guys get to hear me talk with my friends. But you guys didn't show up. But I also didn't promote it. So it's whatever. What happened to we give you energy and positive vibes? Bro, that doesn't change the fact that I also still want to play games alone. Where does that fall into line for me? Huh? Where does that happen? Fuck Fortnite? No. Wait, look, I'm gonna give you guys the update right now. All right? I'm gonna read you the email that I got. Where is this actually? To be fair, I'm in Discord voice channel 24/7. I mean, but your own Discord, right? Like you're talking to Miss Panda or some shit. So you don't want to show off your bad gaming skills. Oh, D, bro. Like that's another thing. I don't want you guys to see how bad I am at FPSs. I'm hold that. I don't want to hold the L I know I will take. Like, why would I put myself in a position where you guys can shit on me more? Some good iFunnies, Mike. I had a proper hashtag iFunny moment. Wait, what? Wait, what are you talking about? Wait, are you on my iFunny page? Can you leave me alone, bro? Mike, I did some banger shadow map renderings. I know, Zombie. I was looking at the programming channel on Discord. Blood has an iFunny page. Yes, I did have an iFunny back like 2 to 3 years ago when I was using it. Beginner banger. Hey, that's what I said. I will still call it a banger, bro. I was peeping it in the Discord. Maybe today we'll know the truth about. Shut the fuck up, because we actually code. How about you? You talking to me? I don't code. What's up? Yo, what's up? How you doing, man? Here, let me find the thing. Oh, message me. Okay. All right, you guys ready for this? Finally getting hand of those programming things. I was watching you play Knockoff Monster Hunter on iFunny. Knockoff Monster Hunter? Wait, what? Wait, what the fuck was that? I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, so here's the email that the dude sent me from Epic. So this is the Epic update, and I want you guys to stay informed. I mean, there's not a lot of you anyway, so might as well get this out the way. I'm not revealing anything crazy, but y'all can relate to this. Y'all can go to hell. Oh yeah, that was one of my YouTube videos. Anyways, so he wrote to me, "Hey Michael, this is a conservative good news email." So right off the bat, I was like, what the fuck does conservative mean? I don't understand, but I'll be on the positive side for this one. He said, "Everyone loved talking to you, plain and simple. The general feeling was that we need people with your passion and drive, and that you would do very well at Epic if we were to work together." I was like, damn. All right, 5 interviews, 2 people each, 10 people all together, and they all unanimously said, hey, this guy's, he fucks, he's cool. So he continues, however, and as soon as I saw that however, I was like, here we go. There are 2 things that I'd like to share in full transparency. So he said, 1, as mentioned before, while the team enjoyed speaking with you and came out of those conversations very positively, they would still like to see through the other interviews we have in the process. Okay? So I already knew this. I think I already told you guys about this already, that they wanted to check out the other people they were interviewing first. I already knew that. I was like, whatever. So, he said, since last week, we dove into a deep hiring reprioritization process. And I was like, what does that mean? And leadership will work on our new growth planning over the course of the next 2 to 3 weeks. I apologize for the news storm. So when he said that, I was like, what the fuck? I don't even understand what the news is. How is it a news storm? But he continued, sorry, apologize for the news storm, but we were not aware of this effort prior to last Thursday, and this is a new development for us. There is no guarantee that the gameplay position for the Epic will come out still available and open for hire at the end of that reprioritization exercise. It's not ideal, but it's worth pointing out that a lot of folks at Epic are doing their best to keep all current positions intact and not succumb to a massive layoff practice we've recently seen across the tech and gaming sector. So that's the gist of it. Fuck Epic, bro. Relax. They're being nice. So this, however, isn't bad yet. Nah, yeah, it's kind of bad. So not only did they tell me that I have to wait like another week or so to find out if they want to continue with me, but now I have to wait another 2 to 3 extra weeks to find out if the position's still going to be open, period. So they aren't sure if they're hiring. The hell, they might be halting hiring then. Oof, sounds like it. Imagine all the people doing 20 interviews and they turn around and say, actually, we don't need to hire anyone. Dude, they put me on a whole month of interviewing and then an extra month of waiting, and then be like, nah, can't hire you, sorry, my bad. Christ on a crutch. Sounds like you were one of the candidates, but now they don't know if they have the position at all. Yeah, like, you know, in my opinion, or my viewpoint, I won. I literally passed the raid boss. Now everything up to this point is out of my control. I can't do anything. So even if I don't get this job, it's not my fault. You know, like, there's nothing I could have done. I did the best I could, and that's the best positive way I could look at it, even with, you know, a rejection from them. You know, like, they all wanted to go with me, so, you know, I'll take that as a win. Tim Sweeney must have heard me say Fortnite analytics. He's like, nah, get that motherfucker out of here. Make sure you keep looking around, then be safe. Yeah, so I had an interview today with I actually had 2 interviews today. One, this recruiter just called my phone without like asking, and I was like, damn, bro, because I got a call and I was like, who the fuck is this? But it didn't say like scam, probable scam or whatever. Scam likely, that's what it usually says. But I was like, who is this? I thought it was like a family member, and I pick up and it's the HR lady trying to recruit me. I was like, all right, I'll play ball. Got nothing else to do. Bro passed the raid boss and died because of bleed damage. Exactly, dude. So that is literally exactly how it feels, bro. Imagine if you fucking beat the raid boss, but all you had to do is open the chest, but a timer was still going off, and then it blows up and wipes it's a whole wipe mechanic if you don't open up the chest in time. Like, that's what it feels like. It sounds like they were playing with my boy's feelings, right? Yeah, kind of. I mean, it's whatever. You know, this is just normal. I'm more happy that I knew I got to the end and won. You know, like, I can't say that for Bungie. Again, I'm still kind of mad. You know, I don't know if I already told you guys this, but I came up with a actual way to interpret how I feel about that Bungie interview. But let me just read chat for a minute. Yeah, minimum, this is good for your self-esteem. Worst case scenario, your resume is on top of their stack. Yeah, I had my Google recruiter send me her phone number before she called me the first time, and I added her to my contacts to be sure I didn't accidentally ignore the call, because I ignore any call without a caller ID. Oh, deep. And nobody even calls me anyways, so it doesn't even matter. But anyways, so I came up with analogy to what the Bungie interview was to me. So, boys, I want you to imagine you're trying out for the NBA, right? NBA, millions of dollars, you really want it, blah blah blah, but they ask you to shoot 3-pointers from the half court. Okay, now I don't know if a lot of you guys play basketball, but shooting from the half court is absolutely, you're fucking Michael Jordan or some shit, right? So yeah, and imagine if you're 5'2", right? So you're all trying to shoot from half court, and you're 5'2", you're 4'8", right? So here I am shooting from half court and swishing and dunking 3-pointers 6 times, right? 6 times. I swish, boom, 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 only net from the half court. I'm killing it. That's how I felt about the interview. But then the one last question that they asked me is verbatim to this. So you switch down 6 shots, and then all of a sudden they're like, all right, that's pretty cool, but now here's the last test. I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to clap on beat whenever you hear a beep sound. And the trick to it is that there's a beep every 3, 5, and 7 second intervals, right? So you try to clap on beat, but at the first you're trying to figure out when it's coming in, and you need time to process and figure out it's a 3, 5, and 7 interval, and you could clap on beat. But they stop you after the 3rd time, and it's like, nope, can't hire you for the NBA because your motor skills are ass, and you obviously don't have logical skills to do anything. And the first thing that should pop up in your head is like, what the fuck does that have to do with the NBA? What does this have to do with the NBA at all? What does me clapping my hands to the beat have to do with shooting balls into holes, right? That's what I felt about the Bungie interview. They presented me with a puzzle that had nothing to do with programming only until the end, but I got stuck on the puzzle part because I was not expecting that. I would lay awake at night just thinking about that interview, and I'm just like, dude, if they had just asked me any real world scenario, I probably would have aced that. I probably would have worked through it. But they asked me a fucking puzzle question, and I'm just like, dude, this is crazy. Oh, you're Michael V. Ray. Sprite, I can never try for the NBA. I'm 5'10". Sprite dunk challenge, Bungie's first interview. Prove OJ didn't do it. It's like, all right, here's my PowerPoint. Hey, can you look at my last VOD again? Why is the bitrate fucked up again, Yeti? You wish this was the NBA. I think the NBA has more players than Epic has game programmers and Fortnite. No, that's not the point. This analogy is too 5-head for me, bro. It's not that bad. To be fair, even if Epic hires him, they won't have an additional programmer, bro. I'm gonna be sitting there and be like, yo, Mike, where's the code? I mean, like, I don't know. I was too busy looking at code babes. But they will have the best hype man in the lands. Am I a hype man? I mean, I guess I'll be a cool hype man. I'd be like, yeah, go get that cash line. Woo! I think so. So I was asking. Yeah, we'll check it out in a second. Didn't LJ release a book or something saying he did it? Wasn't it like he theoretically did it? They'll have a slacker on their hands. Yeah, but I'll be the coolest slacker ever. Just go loot Epic, dude. If they ever go under, bro, I'm looting everything. I'm even looting Travis Scott's house for that one time he did that Travis Scott Fortnite concert. Mike, write some shaders. Even a noob like me can do it. Shut the fuck up. I don't want to hear anything about a noob like you. OG can actually safely admit he did it now. Double Jeopardy laws. I mean, I guess. But imagine that, like, out of like 20, was it like, how many years does it take for that to pass? Like, how long does it take for you to have a facade of like, I didn't do it, to be like, I'm cool now? All right, I definitely did that shit. You guys are fucking stupid. You know, like, imagine that. I thought it was, it's not time passing? I thought it was. As soon as he was acquitted? Oh, that's how that works? Like, I can code RTX into my engine from hand. Where's your shadows and lighting? What engine? Pawn, show me the engine. I want to see this. Basically, pretty sure if it was if I did it or something. He can't be tried for the same crime twice? That's crazy. So he could just be like, yeah, I did it. Can't take me to court though, but I definitely did it. That's crazy. But anyways, that's the entirety of everything, right? So hold on, I'm gonna look at Yeti's thing real quick. Let's see what we got here. Whoa, actually, Yeti, this is actually really nice. What the fuck are you talking about? Let's see. You're playing Genshin? Yeah. Yeah, the quality looks really good. I can see everything. I'm trying to get to somewhere where you're like exploding shit. Your shit looks fine. A boy online, hand tuber. I gotta say hi quick before chat fills with people too smart for me to be part of the convo. OD, how do you think I feel sometimes? I'd be like, I'm gonna let them talk, bro, because I can't join in. They would need to find another crime to charge him with. Bro, it was a brutal case. How are you gonna look at the 6'1" NFL running back and be like, nah, he isn't capable of that? When he looks like Dwayne The Rock Johnson and he's angry, bro. He's like, definitely didn't kill him. What do you mean? Wait, 99% of chat is just derails Mike with dumb shit. I mean, true, but Mike said 5'2". Wait, what? You know, oh, you're talking about in the what's about? No, I'm not 5'2". What the fuck? I'm a dummy too. Smart people stay out of this. Zombie, you just like capping all day? Is that what's going on here? Is that what you're trying to tell me? No cap, for real, for real. Fucking liar. When you can show me your shadows and lightings, I'll show you my RTX lighting. Mikey put all his stats into dummy thick and is slacking off. Mike, look up the theme I have for my NeoVim. It's called No Clown Fiesta. I need to know if I'm insane. NeoVim. It's called No Clown Fiesta. 5'1". Why would you go under? Do you guys really think that I'm 5'1"? You know what's funny? You guys weren't there, right? So back in old school lore of our channel, I had this problem with chat before where I was literally trying to tell them I'm literally 6'0", but someone made a wiki page for me, and then the only thing on it was he's 4'1". I wish I could find it, but somebody made a Wikipedia page for me and just started writing some nonsense bullshit. Would you rather watch a tree grow or watch your knee grow? Oh, he actually got me. Oh, that's crazy. What? Canceled? Bro, negro is not a curse word. That is, I don't feel like if he actually maybe say like the actual N-word, then I would be like, I'm gonna have to do something. But I don't feel like that's cancelable. That is literally, I think it's fine. All right, everybody relax. No, yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I was speaking Spanish. What are you talking about? If it was an official wiki page, that page got taken down. I know, but it was so funny. Oh man, stupid. Yeah, Spanish for black. You're chill. OD, bro. Let me get Mikey a Snoop Dogg song to rap. Nah, I think we're good, bro. Look, I can't rap. I'm gonna let you guys know that right now. My mind can't process. I can't even read correctly. Also, Digital Squares, welcome to the stream. Wait, how do you spell your name? Aquarius? Aquaba? What? Yeah, but that's also Spanish version of a racist term. Oh, I don't know anything about Spanish. Panda, you know more Spanish than probably everybody in this chat. So, Cav, you be freestyling in Discord, bitch. Where? It is a good theme or no? You talking about this? Did I find it correctly? Is it this one? You talking about this? Is this what you're talking about, Satch? looks pretty normal. I feel like, I guess for me, I'm so used to like bright colors telling me like where to look that it's just too like muddy, I guess. I'm not sure. That's my personal opinion, but I don't know shit. Mike, real programmer talk. Vulkan added a new extension that could help you with your engine. Let me see. You use Vulkan without pipelines? Wait, how does this work? I mean, possibly I do spend all of my video game time playing ARAMs and in Latin, I want to say Latin America, or what is that? By the way, do you know how to reduce bloom in OBS? Don't ask me that question. I don't know anything about OBS. Latin America? Okay, yeah. I was making sure. I wasn't sure like each letter was a different acronym for something, but it was Latin America. They only have 2 servers. What, like you said, north and south? To avoid building pipelines, so your OpenGL and DirectX 11 code could closely resemble the Vulkan code. But I'm already so deep into this already. Actually, didn't GG, didn't you send me a video on something for understanding something? Forget it was that. What is this Bing? Oh, this is cute. I mean, it's weird that AI can do that. Wait, what? Did I get that right? Did I just see that correctly? Wait, update. Did I just see that correctly? Yeah, no. I thought I just saw something wild, but maybe I'm trolling. I thought it said something. Wait. I guess I'm trolling, huh? Sorry. I thought I saw something interesting. No, I didn't get a scam email. I opened up my phone and it said Meat Canyon interacted with my TikTok, but I was like, is that true? That'd be crazy. Sorry, what? It was about descriptors. Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah. Your factor time? No. I don't feel like doing that. The EUW just gets lumped into the single server though. Oh, so it's just part of that whole section. It's slow overall, but your engine will only ever draw a few objects. Did Mike just get a job? No. False alarm. And he's falling for it? No, bro. I didn't fall for anything. I literally only looked at one drawing in the first 5 minutes though. I think you missed 1 to 2 of my messages where... Oh, I did. One is in Miami and Ford North, and the other is Santiago, capital of Chile. Oh, okay, there we go. I think that was it. Why are you sending me this shit, Jetty? Bro, why are you sending me that? Why are you sending me these anthropomorphic things? Oh wow, this man actually pronounced the country correctly. You didn't. Oh, Chile. that's disrespectful. Lil Skip is on 100% right now. You know, sometimes I gotta show off for you guys. You know what I'm saying? You know, show you guys I'm. You know, sometimes I'm big reader, not Lil Skimmer. You know what I mean? Okay, so. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna actually do that zombie. That doesn't seem like it, Chief. Because that one isn't perfect, but it's adorable. I love how you're slowly falling into the AI art. Yeah, well, naming a city in VA, Buena Vista, and calling it Buena Vista. No shot, people are calling it that. It's Buena Vista. But yeah, that's crazy. How did they even get, well, I mean, I guess there's some kind of history behind that. Mike, do you even have a way of hashing and caching pipeline states now? Why would you ask that? No, I don't have anything. There's a lot of stuff that needs to happen. All right. Mikey, what? You don't pronounce Raleigh? I already forgot which one's the correct pronunciation. I already forgot. Raleigh. Then use the extension. Ugh. Well, let me finish the one thing I have, bro. We're creating issues before I even fixed an issue. Let's focus on one thing first before we get into all the extra stuff. People with their English spelling are killing me today. Why do you think they would pronounce Spanish correctly? I don't know, bro. Look, that's just the American dream, being ignorant. What can we say? Raleigh? Oh, it is Raleigh. Okay. Pronunciation, at least the only one I'll accept. I'm not even accepting Raleigh. That's too drawl. Hablo English. You just speak English. Also, you can save a lot future work by dropping OpenGL. Dude, you will always be I know who the advocates are in chat. Yeti will advocate for dreams. Panda will advocate for my anxiety and my downfall, and then Zombie will advocate for my OpenGL to be dropped. Advocate for WGPU to reduce the work 75. Oh, you know what? Actually, I'll change it then. That is true. You definitely have said that a lot more recently. What? He could have saved even more work if he had stuck to the original goal of just learning Vulcan. Hey, you know what? Sometimes our eyes are bigger than our stomachs. I mean, he still hasn't clicked the link. Wait, this thing? Is it a new one? Oh no, wait, did I see a different one? Oh no, I peeped the little thingy, right? That link? I mean, because I'm more willing to step on your toes now. I know it doesn't hurt. Vulkan is going to be harder than WGPU probably. WGPU is the simple API. I would assume so. What is this? Oh yeah, I saw this. It's a cute little thingy thing. That's why I was like, I saw it. You want me to show the stream? Is that what you want me to do? Okay. Anyways, if you want to show it, that's fine. I mean, it's fine by me, but my thing is I wanted to ask you guys, how are you guys doing? Are you guys doing okay? I mean, you guys know how I'm doing, like what's going on in my life so far, but you guys doing okay? Just doing a little checkup. Like what kind of streamer would I be if I didn't ask for a little checkity checkup? You're adding a VK command draw to a command buffer that isn't valid because bound descriptor set was destroyed or updated. So yeah, so I have to, am I calling this out of frame? Not gonna lie, I never noticed that Busta Rhymes was on Don't Ya, baby, don't ya. I can't sing it with fucking Pokemon in the background. That's the don't ya, baby, don't ya, dude. Fuck, I am so close to getting to I know what song you're talking about until now. So question about WGPU, isn't the abstraction of all the APIs going to have performance costs overhead? I guess that's the panda question. Just play the song. You want me to get copyright striked? And I'm willing to fuck around. Let me see. Don't you? Oh, he is on. Let me just hear the first few beats. Okay. Oh, yeah. I know the song. Yeah, I know the song. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Raw. Whatever she fucking says. That shit goes hard. She says it just like that. Raw. I didn't know that was Busta Rhymes. 13 years ago. God damn. I'm doing all right. I'm just procrastinating applying to Crytek. Dude, do it, man, Zombie. You could be literally thriving right now. You have enough experience, I believe, to get into the industry. Almost half you got, all of you guys. I'm not gonna cut out random ass people in chat. That's disrespectful. I feel like all you guys have the chance to get into the industry. Y'all are fucking smart. The day you guys pop up in my chat and talking about like, yeah, I got hired at Naughty Dog, I'ma bust a fat fucking nut. Was destroyed or update. So we want. What's wrong with this? How are we at 3, 4, 5? Something didn't get reset. Hold on. Nobody's in YouTube. Just shut the stream down. So there's no copyright strike. Actually, I went up 2 subscribers the other day. We're at 205 right now. It's getting somewhere. But do I want to be a game dev at a large company though? Probably not. But I'm more about making more money. Like, I feel like you guys could definitely get into engines development, which pays a lot. So how much are you willing to sell your soul for a quick buck? Is what I'm trying to ask. In 5 months, I got to start my interviews for internship years. So will you still bust enough for that? Not really. I mean, internships are internships. I want that. I want to see a 401k. I want to see a full salary, benefits and everything. Except me, I know jack shit about graphics. I want to learn though. Well, Thatch, all you need to do is just buckle down and be sad like the rest of us. I say they're harder to get into. I mean, they are harder to get into, but that's what I'm saying is that you guys, I know you guys can get into it. This applies to a small company. Counter question, because I'm sure there is a little bit of overhead, but not a ton. Mikey is literally writing an abstract layer right now. Who do you trust to write a non-horrible, non-performant abstract layer? A large group of masochists who do it on a daily, or Mikey? A dude that just hates himself and is just doing stuff randomly and talking with shitheads in chat. Like, what do you think? Yeah, I'm throwing you guys in the fire too. You're not coming at just me. Do you want to be a programmer at a large company? Probably not. I'm in a large company. I'm advocating to stick to just Vulkan. That's probably be better than WGPU to some degree, I suppose, or I assume. Internships get salary? They do? The fuck? I mean, I guess for 3 months. You trust them to use Vulkan Obtuse API? Why would you ask? Why are you asking questions that you know the answer to? But do we usually suggest that you're asking something? I want to assume it was rhetorical. All right. Well, look, hey, it's got him. Learn Vulkan, but uses libraries to do certain things. Vulkan isn't that bad. Nah, the internships are junior pay for the whole year. Muscle emoji. Muscle emoji. Wait, you have a whole internship for a year? Don't write your own allocators. Use the shader object extension. But what if I hate myself, Zombie? What if I want to do it? What if I want to learn? Buffer info was no. Oh, that was. Oh yeah, wasn't I doing something? Yeah, but a big chunky 12 months. If you're going to learn OpenGL, don't. If you're learning OpenGL 4 plus, that'll probably be more worth it since it's less divergent. It's good enough for entry, but longer term, you want to learn more modern API. Okay. Actually, there's something I did want to do because I feel like we're doing a lot here already. Could have sworn this was breaking beforehand. So let me see if I do. Oh, oops. Damn, this shit goes hard. Bro, I would be getting down in the fucking Alabama with this song on. Herder just use WGPU. So what's this? Is this right? Man. That is invalid because bound descriptor set was destroyed or updated. What happens with descriptor sets? Hold up, let me. I should probably just watch that video, right? Where's this thing at?
Buffer and updated its data each frame. However, we are not actually making use of it within our shaders yet. And this is because you can't directly bind a uniform buffer to be used by a pipeline object.
Right.
Vulkan has an additional abstraction known as descriptor sets. Descriptor sets can be pretty confusing at first.
Yes, I know.
Things going on at once, but I will do my best to untangle this concept. First, think of a descriptor as like a pointer to a resource. A buffer descriptor, for example, would point to the global UBO buffer object we created in the previous tutorial, and an image descriptor could point to an image and a sampler. Unlike a conventional pointer, these descriptors also store some additional data, such as the size and offset for the buffer type, and an image's layout for an image. Now, to further complicate things, descriptors cannot be bound individually and must be grouped together into a set. This is mainly for performance reasons and is one of the advantages of Vulkan over older graphics APIs such as OpenGL, where each uniform needs to be updated individually. For example, if we have a complicated shader that uses 3 different uniform buffers and 5 different textures, it'd be inefficient to bind each of these individually. Descriptors should be grouped into sets based on their binding frequency. For example, the projection and camera view matrix will likely be the same for every object rendered in the scene. So it would make sense to put the descriptors that point to the global UBO buffer that stores these objects into set numbered 0. If we also have a buffer containing all the light sources within the scene, this is also likely to be shared by all objects in the scene and could be also put into set 0 as well. Then all the resources that change per object could be grouped into set 1. This way, we only have to bind set 0 once, and it can be reused for every draw call in the frame. This improves the device's rendering performance because it won't constantly be swapping out resources.
Well, I mean, yeah, I already knew
It is
that
common to
concept,
see
but
even more sets than just 2 being used. Binding textures for materials can be expensive, so it can be beneficial to have a descriptor set dedicated to binding image descriptors and then grouping object draw calls based on material usage. If you're targeting mobile, you need to use some conservative limits. The minimum spec of Vulkan guarantees only 4 max-bound descriptor sets. Before a pipeline is created, it needs to be told what descriptor sets to expect. This is done through the use of a descriptor set layout object. This is like providing the pipeline with a blueprint of how many descriptor sets to expect, as well as what descriptor types to expect within each set. So, for the previous example, the blueprint, aka the descriptor set layout, may look something like this, where we say there's going to be 3 sets, with the first set having a buffer descriptor that will point to a buffer that contains the camera and environment variables at binding 0. And at binding 1, a second buffer that points to the buffer of light sources. Then set 1 would be the blueprint saying to expect 5 image descriptors at bindings 0 to 4. And set 2 would just say to expect a single buffer descriptor at binding 0. So also note how each set has its own bindings. So you can reuse binding 0 for set 0, and binding 0 for set 1 is completely different. Okay, then after being created with these descriptor set layouts, the pipeline will then expect at runtime the descriptor sets to be bound into each of these slots before a draw command is called.
okay.
Now, as one final step of complexity, we cannot create descriptor sets directly.
It's already
A
complicated.
descriptor set needs to be allocated from a descriptor pool object. This is also for performance reasons. Allocating memory can be expensive, so a descriptor pool allows us to allocate a big chunk of memory at one time that can hold many different descriptor sets. Then we can assign the memory from the pool as descriptor sets become needed. Now, that was quite a lot, so let's go over a quick summary. And it may be worth watching this section again so that you really understand the purpose of each component and the relationships between them. Descriptors point to a resource, such as a buffer or image, and contain some additional data specific to the resource type. Descriptors need to be grouped into sets before being bound, so in Vulkan you cannot bind an individual descriptor. A descriptor set layout is like a blueprint that is provided for pipeline creation. This way the pipeline knows what to expect in terms of how many sets, what types of descriptors they can.
So everything right here makes sense to me. I think what he's about to get into is the only piece that's been bugging me is this whole entire pool thing. Because it makes sense. Okay. What happened with jobs? Stuff.
Contain and at which binding. Before making a draw call, we need to bind each descriptor set to slot into the active pipeline. And finally, descriptor set objects can only be created by being allocated from a descriptor pool. Now, before starting with this tutorial, there's a small change to make to the buffer implementation file. In the map function, we want...
Yeah, but that's how much I got into the video. A pool is just an array of descriptors. Sad news. The pool is where you get the descriptors from. It's just a large piece of memory allocated one time. I made a small update to the radio, and no, I didn't notice. I got it, but I didn't notice it. Someone fill me in. Going to step away from the computer.
Want to remove this if statement that passes in the buffer size. If you completed tutorial 19 after October 1st, the file I provided would already be updated with this change. We want to pass through the VK whole size value when specified, as this signals to the Vulkan driver that we want to use the whole memory range, and behind the scenes it may allocate a larger range than the actual buffer size, in order to be compatible with the specific GPU device in use. So we are going to start by coding an abstraction to make all of these objects for descriptors more convenient to create.
The rest of the video
I
is
am going
irrelevant?
to group
It
all
is?
of the descriptor-related abstractions into a single class called LVE descriptors. Paste bin links for the descriptor header and
I got sick of
implementation
turning
files
the
are
radio
provided
on
in the
and hitting
description
play
below.
and not doing anything.
Start
so
by
now
copying the
you
first
hit
class,
play.
LVE
That's what I'm
descriptor set
saying.
layout,
Oh, okay, cool.
as well as the include statements into the descriptor's header
Ooh,
file.
yeah, I didn't notice.
Rename your device header, namespace, and class names to your project conventions. Also add a closing brace to complete the namespace block.
So
Okay, let's
here's
go
a
through
here's a
this.
question I want to ask you guys. When you're coding, do you guys use namespaces a lot? Do you guys encase everything you do in a namespace that you create, like just random nonsense, like I don't know. Not really. I don't like them. I don't sub namespace much. Okay. I was just asking because I was like, is that something that I'm also missing in my arsenal of being a programmer, is using namespaces enough? Because I know what they're supposed to be used for, kinda. It's just I don't use them often because I never really run into an issue. But maybe it's because I haven't worked in like a huge system before. So maybe namespaces are more tech and like a big project. Excuse me. Versus the things that I've been doing. Yeah, I remember you had trouble wrapping your head around the descriptor stuff, and I found this video. Only needed the first 5-6 minutes to understand the relationship between the terms. Yeah, it was actually a really good video. I appreciate it, GG. I know it's sort of a modern standard with CPP, but I don't like them. I only use namespaces when my code takes too long to compile, but I rarely have that happen. Some people like using namespaces within namespaces, which is really irritating. I get the idea behind it, but it has to be a really good idea. Some people do it a lot to hide implementation details. Other people don't. So what's going to happen? No one filled me in on shit. Git. So basically what happened is Epic sent me a message saying, hey, we have pretty okay news. And I was like, what do you mean by that? And they basically told me that, hey, out of all the 10 people that you talked to, all of them said you're cool beans. And so we want to continue, and you're definitely a candidate for, the job. But they said they first want to go through all of the other interviews that they have left and then choose between me and them. And then 2, they also told me that they're also going through a reprioritization hiring process to a point where they're like, yeah, we don't even know if this position that you get or you're applying for is going to be open when we finish that process. So, and that's also going to take another 3 weeks from now. So the extension got larger and they might just close the position. But hey, I won. I made it to the end. And I did it. If you had a huge code base and a large team working on it, then it probably makes sense to partition your code into namespaces, but you don't need it. If you do, you'll end up bumping into ADL issues. What's ADL? Unity is a pain to compile if you don't use namespaces. Eventually, in a large project, like 10-minute compile times, but that's more of a problem with Unity than proper coding practices. Whack! But hey, it's something. I know. We take W's where we can. I mean, I primarily use C# anyways, so it's different. But if I use C++, I would still use namespaces. I would still use namespaces. Usually, I mean, especially if I'm making something that will get consumed by a third party. 8-bits, what's up? We started using them more in our newest project at school. We are using the ENTT library. And the hierarchies are really flat. Argument dependent layout. Oh, lookup. Argument dependent lookup. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Is this C# namespaces? Because 100% namespaces in C# don't just shovel everything into global. I'm a dummy who types without thinking. Hey, that's me too. Don't worry. I'm there with you, brother. Okay. So does he not do anything else with just code? Okay. That was good to you don't type. Well, look, when I do type, it's just a bunch of random nonsense. Look, You guys gotta understand, I run into more errors than I do getting to code itself. Like, I don't get to do the fun stuff. I'm doing the fuck, why is this not working stuff. And then you guys distract me, which makes it extra doubly bad. Okay, so first things first is understanding what's happening here. Like, if you type more, you get to the fun stuff, and then it's our fault. Yep, saw it coming. Bro, you already knew. Why? Don't even be surprised. Like, crying about why the shadows don't work. What are you talking about? You? That's crazy. Have you guys ever been to Disneyland? I don't know, that was a left field question. It's just that this song made me feel like I was in Disneyland. Like I was walking through the park. Trying to try fixing those Vulkan errors from top to bottom. Don't just look at the last error. I mean, yeah, but I think that wasn't even the one I was looking at. I was looking at something else. Shader input. Oh, well, maybe the shader's just fucked. Hold on. Well, the problem is I had everything working before all that. All elements of P command buffer must not be in the pending state. So, fuck, I forgot what leaves shit in pending states. Blaming us for the shit code, classic streamer. What do you mean? It's your fault. That's crazy. Here's a work of progress shot of my shadows. Oh, what am I looking at? What is this? Dude, I don't know what I'm looking at, brother. Also, Eeps, what's up? What's up? How you doing, man? Oh my god, bro. I am dying. Yo, Sloth, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it, man. It's trying to project the shadow map onto walls. Well, I can't tell what's a wall. I'm just a little confused. Okay. So I probably will know more from there. Oh, well, actually here. So copy 1000 bytes plus 0 offset to a VK buffer, which exceeds the VK buffer of... Oh, this was the biggest issue here. So my issue is that somehow... So my texture is going to be 1 million, but the VK buffer total size is only 250. What I could tell... Feel lazy today, can't get into coding. I play VS Code. Believe. I mean, I feel the same way, bro. I'm just like, I want to go play Destiny, bro. I've been playing so much Iron Banner because I'm trying to get this one gun, but I have all week to play. It's just today's Wednesday. No, today's Tuesday. Whoops. Okay, sorry. I'm so like out of the loop of like life. I forgot what was happening. Pending state with a command buffer is when you try to put the commands into one that's already submitted running. You had to create a max frame numbers of command. Okay. Yes. So that makes sense, but hold on. So I need to figure out. Well, that only happens after this whole entire like trying to copy the bytes into the buffer thing happens, and it throws an error for that. So maybe something happens where it doesn't close or it skips over something. I don't know. Hold on. I'm gonna try to do that. So Let's go to my generate buffer. Maybe this is where I was doing it. No, wait. I think it probably happens right here. Hold on, let me see. Oh man. Do you guys like massages? Because like I'm sitting here, I'm like, bro, it'd be lit if somebody could give me a massage right now. But then I realized that I don't like massages at all. And I really wouldn't want to do that. You should really fix all the errors. I mean, yes, that is true. That is something we should be doing. If I were you, I'd put a breakpoint in the validation layer callback function and check the call stack to see where the errors. Oh, I mean that is true. I forgot that I actually have the function for that. But just give me 1 second. Let me just go through a process here of trying to understand some stuff that I'm doing here. Oh, that's interesting. So, how are we at 3? Wait. I think I know exactly what's happening here. Hold on. Where's that? Where's something with vertex? What is it called? Spline vertex layout. So it must be like cracking your knuckles. Wait, what? No, however, I don't mind cracking my bones. Yeah, fun fact, it's not your bones cracking, but a tiny bubble that in your cartilage. Isn't that what gives you arthritis though? I saw a D3D12.h header file yesterday. It's like 12,000 lines and I thought I made hefty headers. Bro, these motherfuckers do this professionally. That was disproven. Oh, you don't get arthritis? Is that what you're saying no to? I thought arthritis had something to do with cartilage, but I guess I don't know what I'm talking about. So VK create pipelines and then vertex attribute description. Yeah, where is it? Yo, Reese, what's up? I thought there was a guy who cracked only one hand for like 50 years. He had both hands x-rayed and both of them looked the same. Oh, that's a lot of commitment to just crack his hand for like 50 years. That's crazy. You don't get arthritis? Yep, that's the guy. For example, damn, he really took one for the team then. For 50 fucking years, this man was just cracking and snapping and popping that shit. Yes, arthritis is related to your joints, but releasing gas stuck in your joints is not going to give you arthritis. Okay. That's crazy. That is that is a lot of effort there, buddy. I'm not gonna hold you. So what do we have here? A size of 6. Why do we have a size of 6? That's probably our problem. Why is this? That's my issue right now. Where is this happening? Did we not hit this? How do we get to 6? What am I not doing here? When I create the pipeline, is this drain that makes such a loud sound when you pop it? Yeah, he did that because his mother told him that it'll ruin his hand, but he was fine. Halo time, Halo music on God, Knuckles, neck, spine. I do it all the time. Valkyrie, Chronicle music, Halo 2. They got it. I actually just replaced Halo 1 and 2 in the MCC. Never mind. Yeah, Bungie music. Boing, boing. All right, so how is this happening? Because are we not calling? Oh, wait. So that doesn't happen in my finalized vertex layouts. Oh, yeah, that's why. Well, okay, I know exactly what's happening right now. I need to figure something out. Hold on. So let's go here for a second. No. So we saved the layout as dream buffer. Okay. Oh, well, it saves as a pointer. Wait, when was the last time you cleaned your locks? I don't have locks, I have braids. I heard that some people go years without doing so. No, so the only thing is that my mom does my hair still. So like when I go back home, she unbraids my hair and then I wash it, rebraids it back, and that's kind of how. I mean, trust me, when you guys see me with my braided hair, like rebraided, I'm gonna look like a totally different person. Yeah, I look so much like a totally different person. I'm so like self-conscious. I wear a hat, so. You just set pointers into the root signature. If you fuck up, that's on you. Wait, very funny to me that Vulkan is stricter than DirectX 12 on the descriptor sets. With this DirectX 12, there's no layout object. You just set pointers into the root signature. If you're fucked, that's on you. Vulkan is probably trying to squeeze out as much performance as possible. Also, layout low. Why would you look totally different? Look like a totally different person? Is your mom going to give you pigtails? No, like my hair looks really like big and like bloated right now, but she tightens them so fucking hard and rough that it looks like my hair looks really like thin, and my hair is gonna look super flat. That's why I said I'll look different. I mean, not super drastically different, but you know. I said not to do that. I mean, I tried. I tried, but honestly, it's gotten to a point where I actually kind of like my hair that way because I like wearing hats. So, you need the shader too. There's even more cancer. You need the shader too. Okay. I'm bald, so I wear hats anyways. Damn, bro. I always wondered, you know, that's the one thing I always ask myself is when am I going to cut my hair one day? Because I know I'm not going to have braids forever. I feel like I'm going to cut it one day. I just don't know when. I feel like I'm too stuck. Oh, I think so I told my mom, yeah, I know the day I'll cut my hair. The day I cut my hair is if I ever make it on Twitch. That's what I'll do. Is if I ever make it on Twitch, the only way I'll ever cut my hair is for like a charity event. And it'll have to be like somebody donate $10,000 and I'll cut my hair or some shit. But a charity event. So it's not going to me, it's going to charity. That would be the day I cut my hair. It would have to be something along that lines. Cause I don't like, I feel like it'd have to be, for me to cut my hair would have to be a momentous occasion for me. And worth it. I'm bald, so clean shave. Bro, you could probably spit shine your fucking bald ass head and just smack the fuck out of it. Yeah, that's what I know the ladies love doing that. 200 plus subs if I ever make it on Twitch. Okay, but come on, bro. That's one person. What happens in this next month? Those aren't 200 people individually doing it. That's just one madman doing all of them. And so if I ever make it on Twitch, I can't always wear a hat. Why? The charity in question, the Mic Fund. D311 has the old resources going into slot, and you could you just say PS, but that's just annoying though. That's the least of D311 issues. It sounds more like a brain issue, to be honest. He's gonna do it again. He's crazy, bro. Nah, bro. Don't do that. I'm more happy that he's not here right now. So, like I said, for me to cut my hair, I would do it for a charity stream, but in the future. Like, I want to have like, it'd have to be like really into the future, okay? Like, I made it. We have like 100K on YouTube, and we have like 1,000 people watching, and we're doing a charity stream. That's when I'll cut my hair. That's my vision. That's when I'll do it. Not now though. Not in front of like 2 people in chat. And this dude and Panda gives away like $1,000 or donates. No, not do that. I don't know why you thought I wasn't here right now. I literally just sent the message like 2 minutes ago. Oh yeah, that's true. Haha. Wait, don't look at me like that, bro. But yeah. But then, you know, if I ever do cut my hair, I think I was gonna go get like the I'll go back to doing braids, but I'll cut the sides off and just have like, you know, just the middle piece of braids so it can go off to the side. Yeah. Anyways, without the validation layer, there's no additional overhead in DX12 invoking setting descriptors again. All right, so I know my issue. I gotta think about this for a second. The problem is that I'm not saving the shit. Oh my god. And this is happening in the shader itself, which gets put into the shader linker. For a second, I thought you said you were going to shave the top and then have braids over the comb. No, what are you talking about? Shave the top and leave the braids on the side, bro. Man said I'm gonna look like a fucking monk, bro. Or what? Who am I thinking of that? Yeah. Oh, there we go. He said I'm gonna look like this head ass, bro. Like, imagine that's like actually his scalp. This is what he said, bro. I know that's probably like a hat, but imagine that was like a scalp. DX12, technically you don't need to bind descriptor tables anymore. You just pass pointers to descriptors and concept buffer and shaders just to access the descriptor and that stuff. Kind of like that, but with braids. Yeah. I have no idea what moron decided that was going to be a hairstyle that went with. But here's the thing, though. They went with. But here's the thing, though. This was in. Bro, it's just because we weren't born in that time. This is probably fire back in the day. Okay? This is probably fire back in like the 1800s. You know, all of the, you know, serfs or whatever were wearing this shit. Like, style changes throughout the years. Hey guys, what if we took a bowl cut and made it look worse? the religion thing. It looks like shit and it's stupid, dude. Damn, bro, that'd be classified as heresy back in the day. Back in the day when male pattern baldness hit, they just made a style out of it. Bro, wasn't the whole entire wig thing because they were balding or some shit? Like on who's that pianist dude? It literally exposes their white ass scalp to more UV from the sun. I thought Vulkan had an extension for constant buffer updates specifically for embedded devices. I figured the wig was the thing. I figured the wig thing was because no one else could afford the wig. I know it was like elitist stuff, but I'm pretty sure it also had to do with like somebody was balding or something like that. Likewise, sub passes. I doubt there's any real validation layer adding any more layer overhead. Yeah, good times though. Bro, see, back in the day, this man was getting bitches, bro. You see that look on his face? He knew what's up. He said, I'm about to go slay some pussy. He was a monk. Man, you think he was getting monked though? Yeah, you don't think, like, come on, bro. It was a back in the old times, all right? The wigs were because everyone had mad lice, so you powdered like crazy and wig over top. Oh, that's disgusting. Wait, how do you get rid of lice? Don't you shave your head and then like fucking wash it or something? Mount Mr. Saint Georgian. Yeah, and I'm sure they did some things as they do now. Gay orgies, bro. They were getting it in. Golly, bro. Yo, people back in the day were kind of worse than we are now. Or it hasn't really changed at all, to be honest. We were just as degenerate years ago as we are today. Mikey, when you shave your head, can I slap it? I will fly you out here so you can spit shine my head and slap the fuck out of it on stream. How about that? Degeneracy just morphed. Yeah, I think we are more degenerate. I feel like with the instant access to the internet, like instant access to information, it's hyper drived our degeneracy to like its fullest extent, and now we've kind of dived into even worse shit. The internet making the degeneracy much more obvious, or you could look at it that way. Instead of it being more diving into it more, it's more apparent now since everybody's aware of it. You know, that's crazy. It makes it so the weirdest kinks are now open to everybody, like feet, furries. What's another weird one? Ball kicking, dick and ball torture. Not just more obvious, degenerates can find each other easier now. Yeah, so it's becoming more rampant. On top of that, Aeromorphs. What the fuck? I heard furry. Michael's like furries. Okay, bro. Wait, man, it's just jumping off a fucking cliff with that opinion. Oh my god, this man's heard furry and just assumed the literal most. How did kinky people find each other before the internet? Bro, I don't know. That wasn't back in my day, bro. I don't know. I heard ball kicking and my balls started hurting. Yes, yeah, I know. Trust me, that is not something that people should be looking at. Morgan Freeman cock and ball torture .mp3. Yeah, bro. That's what people want nowadays. There's someone out there that wants it, Reese. You know that, right? You like, that's the worst part about. So here's the thing that I always like. I know this is like a super tangent and I'm definitely procrastinating, but listen to this. Something that I always say. If you could think of a stupid scenario, it's happened before in history. If you could say like, damn, what if somebody tripped and fell and landed on a fucking coconut and died? It probably happened in history somewhere. Maybe it's not documented and maybe it's not, you know, maybe it was never, you know, written down, but I guarantee you it has happened before. Anything you can think of. Soccer ball trauma is real. Oh, you wait, Panda, you used to play soccer? Were they just like, so want to drip wax on my nipples? They were getting a little freaky. They were limit testing. Never stopping from watching the hot tub streams or code babes on stream. What? If you look it up, don't do it on stream. Like, implement order independent transparency. No. I mean, that's gonna come soon. No, now I'm on a team. No, my sister did, and I was helping her practice. Oh nah, she let that shit fucking swing. Can we watch hot tub streams again? No, bro, you guys are on timeout. Needless to say, I regretted that day. Jesus Christ, dude. There's this thing that they used to do in high school called Bangkok. Do you guys know what that is? Once in chat if you guys know what Bangkocking is. Soon, but your Vulcan doesn't even triangle. Soon. Excuse me. Fair. But that's the enjoyment of this stream though. Will I ever finish this project? Probably not. Bangkok had to be a turn on for a few. It's the capital of Thailand. No. You're right and you're wrong. Did you put your dick next to a door frame and just slam it in? What? Okay, what are you on, brother? What are you talking about? I don't want to know any other meanings of Bangkok. Well, I'm sorry, brother. There's just, I have to enlighten you. Look, if I have to know this, you have to be burdened with this knowledge. Bangkok was a thing that people used to do in school where they would walk up to you and yell Bangkok and literally slap the fuck out of your balls. The BangkokBus.com, yeah. That shit was rough. Like, I remember, and that was the only time I ever had, like, someone literally punched the fuck out of me. And, I laid on the floor for, like, the whole entire, like, class period. I laid on the floor trying not to cry because that shit was... Getting punched in the balls is not fun. Can't confirm that was a thing over here. Oh, it was? Yeah, that shit is not fun, bro. I did not participate in that shit. It happened to me one time. I laid on the floor for the entire class period. My teacher was like, what happened to him? And I was just like, I don't want to talk to you, bro. See, as he said, I would have to know it, but I just took my headphones out. Why are you being a bitch, Panda? Why are you being a little bitch for? Be in the know. We call it mouth cock? Huh? But yeah, that's Bangkok. Was not a fun time. Be in the know. How about no? Word, me too. You guys are pussy. Okay, so the problem is that we create the vertex layout input, but we never store it, which I'm pretty sure I have to. Are you Panda? Kids these days always playing with each other's dicks. Fucking weird. No, I mean, it wasn't even that we were playing with dicks. It's not like we were over here like, yeah, I'm gonna Bangkok because I want to touch dicks. No, that's not what we were on. It was literally just like I don't even understand the premise of it. It was just stupid, you know. Like I guess the thing is that it was just a stupid thing, and I think it was more of like seeing your friends in pain. Vulcan still has input layouts. No, it doesn't. It's just that it's following. What the fuck? I'd rather be pussy than have my dick puds. Tired. I don't feel like doing work. Fair enough. Same. I'm doing good. Just modding Borderlands, bro. Yeah, it could never be me, bro. I did not fuck around with that. It's so right now it's just I'm trying to save I need to save the vector separately, and that's the problem. I found one of them? Or what? What the fuck is this?
Ball torture or CBT. Penis torture or dick torture is a sexual activity involving application of pain or constriction to...
Bro, this shit is fucking scary. Why would you show this to me? What the fuck? I don't like the way he's talking to me. Like, should I check that my shadow code works on my AMD Intel? Should I even care? Bro, just delete the code itself. You don't need it. NVIDIA is usually more lax about specs, so yeah. Sorry, I really have to sit. I have to like actually think about this. So I'm gonna let you guys converse in chat for a second. I'm gonna think. Give me a second. Well, it's across everything though. Oh no, it's a vertex shader, so should be for one shader though. Bro's finding his answers in the cloud. Bro, this is the process that you guys don't get to see because I'm too busy either talking to you or saying some nonsense. Is that usually when I have a breakthrough with my code, I'm literally laying down and thinking about stuff. I told you guys, right? Like when I was building systems at my job, I would go to my car and lay down during lunch so I could, you know, think things through. I get you straight up. It has 0% chance of running in wine. Yeah. Okay. Ugh. Damn, I just had something and I totally forgot it. Okay. I know what you're trying to do, so how about a rubber ducky strategy? I mean, fair enough, but I think I already have the idea in my head already. Yo, Blindness, hello everybody. Yo, what's up, Blind? What's up? What's up? What's up? How you doing, man? How are you doing, good sir? Also, I'm using enhanced barriers, which is very recent feature in DirectX stuff. Anyone use Windows Sandbox? Don't ask me, bro. I think the chat might understand what you're talking about. This is probably the best place to ask questions like this because there's a lot of nerds here. Okay. 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 I'm a dork. Yeah, yeah, I need a doubt for that one, bro. I'm gonna need people to start spamming accent to doubt real quick in chat. I love nerds because I'm trying to be one. Hell yeah, brother. I never said it was a bad thing. But these specific types of nerds, they're the worst. They distract me and then blame me. It's kind of crazy. So my dear, how dare you make us, how dare us make you stream and be productive? Oh, D, bro. Like, if you guys didn't say anything, I was trying to get away with not streaming today either. But y'all were like, where's the stream at? And I was like, fuck. I thought they forgot. I do only masculine hobbies like weightlifting and target shooting. Damn, bro. That's crazy. You are a macho man. Couldn't be me. What do you mean? WDDM is also built around some abstraction offenses. Yeah, Mike does weightlifting and target shooting. Just look at him looking at poor when he does it. Huh? You already know what's up, bro. Why would you say that? I'm not going to deny or agree with anything that was just stated. Everyone remember to put comments into these GitHubs. Bro, y'all went to my GitHub to say didn't stream. Like, I hate y'all. I can't believe this. Y'all really went to my fucking thing and opened up an issue saying, yeah, repeating the past. We really need more streams and code actually needs to be pushed. We've seen changes happen on stream, but then those changes aren't getting pushed. That needs to be fixed. Agreed. It's very disappointing not having the access to the latest version of the engine. Bro, the engine doesn't work. It only works for me. Y'all are some meatheads. Wasn't even the first time. See, now that's just a haha moment, you know? Not my fault. Okay. So what I need to do is go over to Vulkan, right? This is the issue. I need to do something along the lines of like this information over. Can I do this? Yeah. I did this. No, I know that was you. I'm looking at your name in Discord and I kind of connected the two, but like, I can't believe this. Like, how do I? It was open 4 hours ago. Wait, how did you see other, like, my past, whatchamacallit? keeping of every byte allocated, you need to keep track of your memory usage. I closed. Wait, what? Oh, 1. Okay. Tattle says it all. Oof, I'm gonna fix that in a year or 2. Damn, I really haven't fixed that. Whoops. Yeah, no, every byte that's allocated. So yes, I should be okay with what you're saying, Zombie. This should work fine because it's just well, so my idea is just to create an array and copy the data over from the vector because I have to clear it here, and that's the reason why I'm getting that issue, because I have to save it somewhere. So then I'll do like a mem copy over. Is it MCM? That's it. C++ 98. Yeah, bro. Okay, Mr. 23. How do I do this in a new, better way? That like the new school way. How do you do this in new school way? Instead of using memcai, what do you use? I remember there was something called a std move or some shit, but I don't know if that was for arrays specifically or vectors or std mem copy. It's assembly. std copy, that's what it is. Do I even have access to this here? Before I use it, doesn't hurt to look it up, just so I remember. Fuck. Why were you googling bad priests? You got look, you just have to be there, bro. No, they were asking, they were like, yeah, if you cut your hair down the middle and then kept the braids on the sides, wouldn't I just look like a fucking, I said, this is what I would look like. Also, stop using raw pointers. But why? You want me to use fucking unique pointers? You want me to use smart pointers? Because if I start doing stuff like that, I have to change it everywhere. I think that's what I'm trying to use. Smart pointers, pussy. I really wouldn't want to be there. Wait, where? Mikey likes it when past Mikey does feature Mikey raw. It's an array. Just use a vector. No, but the thing is I have to store it inside the buffer. That's the reason why. So I'm not passing out an array. So like I have to copy the data over into a pointer so that I can store that pointer for later, because the vector itself is local inside the graphics. The graphics oh, what? It's local to the file itself because I'm using deferred. It's basically like deferred adding stuff into the vector to use it for the vector attributes. I mean the vertex attributes. You use raw pointers, but every raw pointer should come from something that is managed in some way. Other const raw reference can be left alone. When you said you had to be there when you exposed your, I didn't naughty, dude. That was even naughty priest, bro. I said you saw bad. It was bald, bro. I looked up bald priest. now I need to question you, brother. What were you projecting? Then store the vector? Yeah, so the only problem is that I'd have to copy the vector into an array so that I can store all the information. I just have to copy the date over because I have to use that local variable. I mean, it's just the fact that I'm outputting a buffer or a dream buffer. I have to store the information in a specific way. And that's why I'm doing it this way. Like I could just copy the vector out of the function, but that's not what it's accepting because that wouldn't work across all platforms. If you're just calling new, how are you tracking the memory? My dream buffer has keeps track of how big the buffer is, so when I delete the dream buffer itself, it deletes the pointer the way it should. What's going on? What is this? I'm projecting. Your tabs say watch me and old people. Wait, watch me. Wait, where? Oh, bro, this is JonTron. What? And where's watch me at? Oh, this is watch me forever. What are you talking about? I know how that could get weird. If you look at the upper right of this, my engine tracks all the allocations in the engine. Yeah, it's tracking all the allocations, but are you using your own allocator for that, or are you just straight up tracking it by every new call? Because essentially what I want to do is, like I said, I want to like work on making my own allocator system so that I could all track everything that I want. Fuck yeah, I use my own allocator. See, that's different though. Like if you have your own allocator, then you're definitely going to know all that information up front than me just using new. I'm just doing new right now because the next thing I'm going to work on is a memory allocator and hooking it into new myself. Shit says watch me forever and mans won't even close a broken video. That's dedication, bro. I'm just trying to be authentic. Damn, you still need to call the detour exactly once. I mean, wait, what are you talking to me? Are you realistically going to go back and change everything to new allocator? Yes. Or the idea, so I mean, the problem is that you have the exact same issue unless you go the Google route of prefixing everything with a ref counter before the object. Or I guess I don't understand the issue. What's the issue? Or what are we talking about? Did you know that Keemstar is 41 years old dating? Ew, he's dating a 20. How is he dating anybody? That's crazy. Bro, how am I not dating? Now I'm just lonely. Is game dev this different than other devs? I have no clue what the fuck you guys are talking about. Wait, you guys talking about... Wait, I don't know what we're talking about anymore. What's happening? Yeah, no, we are just talking about just memory allocation nonsense. I'm just a memory Nazi who must control all the memory allocations. I'll exterminate all the leaks. You still need some way of preventing double derefs or some common trait to hook the zero condition. But I feel like we're getting into a topic that I will understand later. When I actually start doing the memory allocator stuff, because I wrote some stuff with memory pointing and bit shifting and all that extra stuff, but I haven't actually implemented it into the engine itself. So once we get to that, we'll talk about it more later, because I think you're getting to the topic. Like, I think I understand what you're saying, Reese, but I don't have the knowledge to have that conversation just yet. I wouldn't call myself a Nazi, but you know, whatever. How much memory do you need for this triangle? Probably like at least a gig. Miriana bits. Yeah, what he said. Ah, okay, that's what it. Okay, that's what how I use it. So that's how you use this. Does it begin? And does this work? I did not see that coming. Are you proud of that, Panda? Are you proud of that one? Are you happy at yourself? Are you trying to tell me you're becoming a dad? Is that how you're revealing that information to me? Your pillow game's weak? Like, is that what you're trying to tell me? You about to have a kid? You trying to get your dad jokes up there? Well, anyways, write the code your way, then I'll try to refactor it or head to bed, whichever comes first. TLDR, writing on allocator doesn't help. Oh, that's what you're trying to say? You will still crash if you don't handle deconstructors properly. True, but the idea is to be like, I want to learn. That's why. Even though it's like it doesn't help. The whole project is to learn. It's not supposed to be something that I'm going to put out for a third party. It's not for anyone else but me. So, you know, I'm just here to learn with you guys, or what you guys have to offer, you know, to help me. Make use new and delete makes me feel uneasy. Oh, Mike's use of new and delete. Don't worry about it. I just pulled up a stream of a Russian writing Vulkan and it's intense, bro. Wait, what? You can take notes for him, Mike? He's actually writing code. Wait a minute. Wait, well, he has a ad. Dude, 90% of my jokes are dad jokes. I'm making sure I'm highly qualified for the dadness, bro. I can't be a dad yet because I don't have dad jokes yet. Doesn't matter if you track Malekith new or yoink a heap away, you should fire the destructor once. I'm assuming that's what you mean by detour. You need some way of guaranteeing you fire those functions calls only once. You can't have a shared pointer fire the deconstructor after you yoink the heap away. Well, that's the thing though. Well, okay, you can't have a shared pointer fire a detour after you. Doesn't really help you prevent leaks. God damn, this dude is just writing and talking. Dude, I don't know how, bro. Also, I'm still stuck on an ad, bro. What is he working on?
Так, собирается, но ломается.
See, well, he's in the cool part of coding.
Мы уже понимаем, почему ломается. То есть в
I'm in the thinking part, man. Okay. So that should work. And then we do... Literally doesn't matter if you're going to race against the other worker threads. I think I should store this as a pointer then, right? Hold on, I might want to store this as a dream pointer, not a dream buffer, because dream buffer it might actually pull something wrong. Yeah, I think that's what I should do. Hold on. Let me just look at how are we doing this? What function am I in here? Finalize. Okay, finalize. Or if you just use Zombies engine. Oh, D. You could be in the cool part if you actually wrote code. Zombies engine is actually insane. You'll never guarantee the entire allocation heap will remain non-volatile. Therefore, you will never be thread safe. You will never be able to reliably sync to force free, or you could just ensure destructors don't fire multiple times. They use new/delete malloc and free with exception is a big mental load. You have to ask yourself, is there anything between these functions? Throw exceptions every time, and clean up is not pretty. You could just track deconstructors and call them them multiple times. Okay, so how am I? Here's the vertex. Oh, I store it as a handle. Yeah, so I could just wait. I can actually just pass this back out as a pointer and not as a buffer. Hold up. So let me see. So yeah, I'm gonna probably change this to a dream pointer. Yeah. It sucks because I can't really jump into this conversation because I don't know anything yet about that kind of stuff. So you guys will probably have to hash that out. Generate buffer? No. Generate. Where's finalize? See, but I guess here's my thing. It's not about preventing it. Okay, maybe this what you're about to say will help me understand stuff, because I thought of the only reason it's about safety shutting down and releasing resources. Okay, that I guess that makes sense. Oh, let me get rid of some of this shit. What is this song? You can check Malik, kind of. You need to check the highest level new and delete operators. You can't just free a memory encoder as applied, and it'll never be safe. This isn't the Rock Band DLC? Oh, it's Left 4 Dead 2. Okay. Because it's talking about I'm gonna eat your brain and shit. I'm like, what is going on right now? Okay.
Meanwhile, I'll report back to my colleagues who were chewing on the doors. I guess we'll table this for now. I'm glad to see you take constructive criticism well. And thank you for your time. I know we're all busy as hell. And we'll put this thing to bed when I bash your head open. All we wanna do is eat your brains. We're not unreasonable. I mean, no one's gonna eat your eyes.
Okay.
We're at an impasse here. Maybe we should compromise. Open up the doors. We'll all come inside and eat your brains.
This is so stupid. Stupid ass song. And it should probably. Wait, how does this break? What? This doesn't look like Iron Banner. Bro, give me a chance. Give me another 40 minutes. You know, it's crazy. You know, shout out to, I just want to say this. Shout out to you, Reese, What's Up, and Zombie for having this kind of conversation. Well, I don't give a fuck what you think about correctness. Real programs leak. Wait, what? I don't think it should be encapsulate leaks. If a program has leaks, they are incorrect. You want to release a state at the edge of a barrier, like an end of games match. You want a fresh VM. I'm trying to understand the situation here. You would safely release all sources forcefully, even if there's some edge case leak. Like, I think I understand the premise that what you're trying to say. I updated everywhere, right? Now, I don't know why this is breaking. We should all strive for correctness, and bugs should be acceptable. Should not be. Oh, bugs should not be acceptable. Nice LARP. I'm confused. Hey, I don't want you guys to get upset about. I think it's just ideologies clashing right now. I don't think it's. I don't want anybody to get upsetty spaghetti about this. And I'm not. I'm saying you should be handling all your memory allocations. I have 0 memory leaks. I mean, like what I'm trying to say is that if you're handling all the memory leaks, then in theory there should never be a problem, right? So I think with each approach there's a specific solution to that question. So I don't know what kind of approach. I'm saying you should at least ensure you're stalling every thread before you do your free. I'm assuming you have debug interface exposed for that. No problems and no leaks are 2 different things. Sure, you can use allocators to detect leaks and fix it, not to use allocator to encapsulate leaks and leave that bug in. Okay, I think I'm good here, so I can just close this stuff down for now. I know I broke something with this, but we'll come back to this in a second. So my Vulkan graphics returns. Oh, yeah, I do. Oh, it's a size. Fuck. Is there another one here? Yeah, so it's gonna have to be size of times. Skill issue, you just need to ensure detours can be called multiple times and call them all at once. All shared pointers released once. Everything gets zeroed at once. It just works. You just need to ensure it's atomic. Okay. All right, so I passed this back up, right? Now I know this breaks somewhere, but I think it was in the shader, right? Did I call this? Generate buffer? No. Oh, here we go. Vertex. Oh, here we go. So we create the layout. Now, motherfucker. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks. Okay. 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 That's cool. And then I have to do god damn it. Yeah, I have to there you go. That should work. We should reference by engineering your program. I'm not sure why you even make that comment. I believe it's possible. Look, I stopped reading the conversation because I don't have any place in it, because I have no idea what the fuck you guys are talking about. But I'm just hoping that you guys will settle this on a good terms instead of, and I hope you guys don't devolve into just saying some mean shit to each other. So I am placing my trust in you guys that you guys won't just do that. So please don't just randomly go off a side tangent and just start being mean to each other. And also, this gives me time to actually start coding and thinking for a second. Sadly, I don't speak smart, bro. Cannot translate, bro. How do you think I feel? I can't even have an input into this conversation because I don't know anything. I mean, that's the whole purpose of my descent into doing this project in the first place, so I can be on that level to have that discussion. Yeah, the discussion is heated, but I don't think that's why I haven't said anything yet. I was just saying I feel the volatility coming, and I'm just like trying to put a barrier on it. So that's why I wasn't saying anything. Just making sure that everybody's on the same page. And I'm letting them do it. Like, here's the thing that I was going to say before, is that what I appreciate about What's Up and Reese and Zombie are doing here, they're actually having a conversation and an argument. Nothing's wrong with an argument. That's why I'm letting them do it. It's just I don't want them to get toxic about it. And so, and it's nice to see people actually trying to challenge each other. Like, everybody is not going to think the same, and I expect that, especially in the programming industry. So, to each their own. And this is just a clash of ideologies, is what I was saying before. And as long as you guys handle it in I want to say professional manner, but just don't be toxic, then go right ahead. Go fucking argue. I think arguments are fine. It's just that usually if it was an argument, I would like to be inside of that argument as well, so I can have my say in it. I just can't say anything. I don't know shit. Have you ever heard of C-Tor? What's C-Tor? I know Detour is this deconstructor, but what could C-Tor possibly be? Hey, how did you comment nothing? How the fuck? Wait, what? Oh, wait. Why didn't... That's crazy. Wait, am I trolling? Wait. Yo, GG, to me, it doesn't say you commented anything. But on the thing, it says that you put constructor. Oh, you saw that? Yeah, is that me? How? What? GG, you're a hacker. He's hacking the mainframe. Man, speaking in silence, bro. He said that in his mind. Now I can see it on mobile. He's doing it again. He's a wizard, Harry. I can't see it. I don't know. Is it because of Opera GX? How the fuck? Like, seriously, I don't... All you did was say constructor, right? What? Wait, does that happen for me? No way. What? What? Wait, what is this? Wait, is there some Twitch code that's going on right now that's fucking this up? The word constructor is just not showing up for me. I don't understand. You guys see this, right? Am I trolling? Yeah, it's not showing up. Wait a minute. Okay, maybe it's Opera GX. I don't know. Maybe Opera GX is doing something where it sees constructor. We found a way in, boys. Where's my hacker? Where's my hacker glasses? Oh, is there a... Oh, this is a 7 TV emote for constructor? What's wrong? Whenever we type in constructor, it shows nothing. But I guess it's not Opera, but it's 7 TV. But I don't have anything called constructor. I don't remember adding anything called constructor. I think the 7 TV stuff, but it doesn't work for me. That's crazy. It's not even popping. Like, if it was a 7 TV thing, it's not even popping up in the Twitch chat. Whatchamacallit, which has 7 TV emotes enabled. You know, you guys want to know something disgusting about this thing? There is water in here. And this used to be my work water bottle that I'd bring into work and drink there at my job. The last time I went to my job was in November. And I haven't opened up this thing since. Now, to be fair, it's a closed container. It's airtight. So is it necessarily bad? Drink it for charity. What charity? Refresh? Do I have to just refresh? Hold up. Wait, I just saved my thing and not refresh. But just open it up, but after you look at Discord, drink it for free. Well, I'm not drinking that shit for free. Yes, it's bad. It might be. I wouldn't drink it. Yeah, no, that's just asking for death. I'm not going to do that. The fuck? Yeah, I gotta be trolling. Y'all are smoking dick. Yes, it's bad. I know. It said sniff it. I don't care. It probably has some wild ass shit on this too. Hold up. What am I looking for? Oh. Let me see. So you're saying this is the issue right here? 7 TV emote box, emote token. Okay. Interesting times. Yeah, I could be trolling. It'll probably smell like from the bottle pre-ordering channel. Yes, but there's no emote image. 7 TV is just replacing it with the emote, but since the emote doesn't exist, it's just putting nothing. Huh. Well, the more you know. That was funny though. No. Unless you pour it into your mouth without touching it, it should be fine. I don't think Mike bothered to lick it all over it, so it's probably got some microbial growth. I mean, yes. I drank from it, so I guess that would be have played too much MapleStory. Is this MapleStory? It is MapleStory. You Maple Story fiend. You know, part of me kind of want to keep... I want to keep it closed because I've kept it closed for too long already, and I don't want to fuck it up. Like, I feel like we're in a... You know... In a holding pass right now. Open it, bruh. Open it. Why? Bro, if how about next year? Like, it's a time capsule of water. No, this man sucks the top of the drink. Ew. No, I fully open this shit up and drink it from there. Just use a bit of dishwasher soap and clean it. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna drink it, bro. But it's Pandora. Yeah, it's literally like Pandora's box. Should I open this shit and unleash despair across the lands? That's Cap. He sucks on it dry. What are you talking about? If you open it, it'll summon a tsunami. It'll be a limp dick. It's not an elixir yet, bro. Yeah, I need it to ferment. I'm trying to get my water to ferment. It's Panda Resbox. I don't like you, bro. Let it cook. Yeah, we gotta, bro. You guys gotta let it cook in here. Look, I'll put it down and I won't talk about it for another year. And I'm gonna bring you guys back up if we're even streaming next year. I'd be like, all right, you guys remember this water bottle? You guys are gonna remember this legendary water bottle, okay? We're gonna hear stories about this for ages to come. We keep this shield shut. It's like the tomb of King Ramsey or whatever the fuck. We keep that shit closed. Ping bottle water. Yo, Safari, what's up? It won't ferment, but there's no food or microbes, but there are microbes probably. Yeah, there are microbes. So you gotta bet on that this can ferment. Yeah, King Terry the Terrible. Yeah. Seems fine. Not sure what the point is. How are you doing? I'm doing okay. I'm just chilling, vibing. Hey, what's why is there issue 3? What is this? You guys are memeing. He opened up a new issue. He said, "Open and clean your water bottle." Oh, you suck my balls. I hate you, bro. I just got the email. Seriously, how did you just let it sit there for 5 months? Can you imagine people that don't watch the streams and they're like, what are these open issues even about? You fucking troll. Yes, there's an email that I get sent the email. Add a bit of sugar and you get some nasties in there. Might even climb out of the bottle on their own. I can create a whole living organism. You telling me, GG? Why do we need wombs when we have pink water bottles that can hold microbes in here? All we need to do is just let it ferment. I don't like the word ferment. It makes me feel weird. It just sounds nasty. Why does it sound like Donkey Kong Country? Or some like weird shit. Oh, Super Mario Galaxy. Oh, that's weird. We're looking at Mikey's artificial room right now. Yeah, so we're gonna have Mark Robert, and Mikey. Fermentation is fine. Rotting is the bad stuff. But isn't fermenting... Wait, isn't fermenting rotten? Wait. What is fermenting? Like, I have a brief idea what fermenting is, and I know it's like leaving shit inside of a fucking barrel for a while, but fermenting, it's a metabolic process that produces chemical changes in organic substances through actions of enzymes. Ooh. In biochemistry, it is narrowly defined as an extraction of energy in carbohydrates. This explained nothing to me. I don't understand. Mikey is making Mark. Oh, okay, see, that one went over my head, bro. That shit didn't hit. Issue 4. Water bottle is not ferment. I'm assuming it's because it's missing some alignment from microorganisms inside the bottle. They're gonna be like, what? What do you mean by that? You know... So here's the thing though, and the reason why I actually appreciate, so I don't care that you guys make these issues, and I think it's actually funny. I just find it even more funnier that like this is like something that's linked to my GitHub and or like my LinkedIn, and like companies check out, I would assume they usually go to your GitHub, but I doubt they would go look at open issues, right? So I find it like funny that like one day a recruiter might be going through my, or a senior programmer might going through my my code, and they go to this and they see fermented water bottle. It's not ferment, will not ferment, and he's like, what does this have to do with an engine? Oh my god. Look up Mark Robber. He's an American YouTuber. What is he trying to do? Oh, Robert? Like what? Robert? You should pickle it too. The joke is Mark Robert is a person. Oh, it's actually a real person. Fermentation shader, bro. What does that mean, man? What fermentation shaders are you writing? Speaking of which, I've been working on my engine for a hot minute now. It's called the Get Serious G Source, GE Source, Gesource. Guess what Gesource means? Microbe. Okay, I've dabbled in fermentation for half a year. It's an interesting and plus good food. I thought fermentation was only for like alcohol. Was ferment? It's not when you ferment something. Is it not with like wine? Is that what ferments? Is that what I'm thinking of, and not alcohol? Also, maybe when he catches up to the punchline, he'll be able to pronounce Mark Roberts' name. All right, we'll put in Mark Roberts' name into the translate thing, and maybe, just maybe, I'll understand what you're talking about, bro. All right. How do you pronounce this, Google?
Mark Rober.
Rober. Natto is also fermented in his food. GE source means game engine source code because I was transferring it to my Mac in a zip and I called it zip GE source, and something in my brain just went, huh. That's it. That's the lore dump, Safari. The end. Have you ever eaten pickles? Yeah, of course. I love pickles. I love sea glizzies. Those shits are fire. Or water glizzies, if you will. There's also lacto fermentation and other stuff. I only touch the lactose stuff, making vegetables sour and such. Sounds like robe and microbe. Okay, microbe. Okay. That guy will always be Mark Robber to me. He said Robeard at one point. That's why I said you'd be able to pronounce it correctly after you read microbe. Roberb. Sea glizzies are so much better than dry land glizzies. OD, bro. Wait, what are you talking about? Wait, what are dry land glizzies? What is that, bread or something, or like breadsticks? Or are you talking about like just regular glizzies? Also, let me get back to work. How did this conversation devolve from whatever the hell we were talking about to glizzies? I'm gonna stop talking to you guys. So we set that up, right? And then golly, GG, what you trying to do? I'm wondering what a sea glizzy is, to be honest. Land glizzies are hot dogs. Is that how that works? Bread also ferments. Oh yeah. Oh wait, with yeast? But why would you want to ferment it in the first place? Crab legs? Isn't pickles just cucumbers that like soak in water for a long time or some shit? Is that not what pickles are? That's why I called it a sea glizzy or a water glizzy. Yeast stuff is fermentation as well. But like, what are you trying to ferment to? Like, what is the end goal? Or I guess I don't understand the process of fermentation. Pickles are pickled cucumbers. Yes. Soak in water. Is that not how it works? Am I trolling? Do I not understand how pickles are made? But when I found out cucumbers were pickles, my mind blown. Bro, I found out like in high school, but like I was confused at how the process worked in the first place. Okay, so where is... So let me go down to my add shader real quick. Put simply, picking... Wait, hold up. It's a brine, mostly salt and spices, usually in a vinaigrette. Oh, I was like, vinaigrette? I guess that's just some fancy cooking term I've never heard before. Vinegar, okay. Why are they called pickles too and not pickled cucumbers like all the other pickle stuff? Were they original pickled foods? Some dude probably like threw a cucumber inside of like salted water by accident and thought he found something cool and named it pickled. I mean, 30-minute pickles when I do burgers or jalapenos. Put simply, pickling preserves foods by immersion in vinegar brine or saltwater brine to suppress microbes that cause the food to rot. So fermenting helps things not rot? Hey, this sounds like an anime intro. Oh, it's Persona. Okay. Maybe someone near a beach used seawater? That's what I was thinking. Lacto fermented dill cucumber though? That sounds horrible. My feeling when Squidward Tentacles said, and I quote, "I come for you, your sea cucumber." Wait, he actually said that? Or someone just added dry salt into water. The lacto fermentation process lactates acid. Oh my god, that's a long ass sentence. That lowers the pH level to where your bad microbes can't live. Isn't pH level just acidity, right? Like 5 is just basic. Like you're just a basic bitch. Like somebody called you like a pH level of 5. You need to start swinging on them. 15 is basic? I thought it was like from 1 to 10. Am I trolling again? Low pH is acidic, high pH is basic alkaline. Oh, it's neutral. Okay. Whoops. I was close. Kind of. So, where is this, where's my create graphics pipeline real quick? Hold up, let me actually just go from here. Because the one last thing is... I think it's this. Say that to a woman, your pH is basic, bitch. Hey, yo, what's up? What's up? Yo, what's up, Yui? Welcome back. My pH level gotta be like 52. I've been grinding, bro. Correct. It's 14, not 15? 7 is neutral? So 7 is like water, right? Or it's just neutral? So would like orange juice have like a pH of like 100? Of like -1? Mike's high school chemistry teacher looks very disappointed. Bro, my high school chemistry teacher was a baddie, bro. Oh my goodness. What were we talking about? Hey girl, you're A 14 out of 10 on the pH scale. OD, yo, Avery, you remember her, right? Oh man, I can't remember her name. Miss. Oh man, she was so bad, bro. Final Fantasy VII, Chasing the Black Caped Man. Yep. Song right now, yep. It's probably why, I mean, but no, chemistry though. Yeah, I don't remember. No, what part of your engine are you, so right now I'm working on textures in Vulkan. I'm trying to get Vulkan textures working right now. But I have to do something first because it's breaking. So we're taking a little break from the textures for a second and I'm trying to reconfigure something. So this is going inside this vertex input info. And then can I, where is this being used at? The pipeline info. Sorry, what? 7 is pH pure H2O. He's not working. He's showing us how pickled water and threatens to drink it. I'm not drinking pickled water. That's disgusting. Who out here drinking pickled water? You're just weird for that. Do people do that? Is that a thing that people do? I know there's a lot of people. There's like hardcore advocates of pickles, like the picklers. You know, like those people that just love pickles so much. But I don't think they would. No way they would like drink the pickle water, right? You're the one with pickled water. I don't have pickled water. Look at your bottle of pickled water. No. Hey, yo. Why not? I'd do it. Why? Why would you do that? That sounds disgusting. Okay. It actually sounds disgusting. Yeah, you're either drinking vinegar with stuff in it or salt water. Yeah, that sounds disgusting. It's slightly acidic and has flavor. If it's lacto fermented, then it has probiotics, the good bacteria. What does the good bacteria mean? That it's gonna help fight like my depression or something, or what? How does that bacteria help me? Excuse me. Oh, wait. Isn't the layout? Hold up. Isn't that in private? It is. What was I planning on doing with this? Get under the sheets with me, babe, BB. Let's bake a juicy pie. A wet, juicy pie. First of all, I'm not a whore, chimp. I'm a Christian man. And I'm celibate. I could never. It helps breaking down stuff in your gut. Basically helps you digest food. Good for your tum-tum. Actually, there's studies that link gut biome with mental Oh, really? Get under the covers with us, Mike? No, bro. I am squaring off sex for life. Cream pie. Why did you just randomly just say that? What? Like, at least yeah, Chimp was trying to be like subtle with it. This man just straight up just threw the word out there. No Riz. He just said cream pie. He didn't even try to make it subtle. He was just like, you know what? I'm going straight to the point. Stupid. Conversation starter? It really is that a conversation starter? There's space in there. It's the food. What the hell are you thinking about, Mike? Wait, what did I say? Wait. I'm saying I like cream pie. We're talking about food. No, yeah, that's what I'm saying though. That you were talking about one of the, you know, the one with the filling in it, you know, you know what I'm talking about. Each time I get into your chat, I see more weird things than my sexist classroom. Wait, what? Wait, is that a bad thing? This man eats ass but don't like pickles. I didn't say I don't like pickles. We were talking about pickle juice. Ham is fermented meat? Okay, I didn't know that. That's crazy. That's the craziest sentence ever. You have a sexist classroom? What's going on in the class, bro? I'm surprised. I saved the layout, but I do nothing with it. I might just get rid of this whole thing. Why am I doing this here? I have We're not sexist. All the girls in chat can attest. Yeah, all 0 of them. This place is the sausage fest. Okay, well, either way, I'm Audi 5000. I wasn't planning on staying live that long anyways today, so yeah, perfect time, GG. Anyways, it's 2 a.m. for me. I only slept for 3 or 4 hours last night. Me too. So I'm out. Take care. Well, I'll see you guys later anyways. So I'm gonna be Audi 5000 later, main. Yo, thank you guys for pulling up. Thank you, yo, Reese and everybody. Hopefully you guys had a productive conversation. No, bro. He can't help. All right, on staying alive that long today. No, I was not. No, I wasn't gonna stay that. Wait, what? No, that's not what I was trying to say. I wasn't trying to stay on that long or stay live. You get what I mean. All right, boys, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I think I should be live tomorrow. I don't got anything to do. I don't have an interview tomorrow, so I think I'm chilling. I might be in the Discord, so if you guys want to go into our Discord and just want to pull up, so I'll be sitting in a Discord chat where you will be muted, but you could talk to me in chat live, but I'll be playing like whatever I'm doing with Avery and stuff like that and just relaxing. Okay, can you fix my broken code, bro? Can you fix my broken code? Then we look, it's a give and take. All right, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I feel like who should we raid? I feel like there's a decent amount of you guys. You know what? Shout out to you 16 motherfuckers in chat. For pulling up. I appreciate it. Like, it's weird that like we've been going up in viewers count recently, but I enjoy that you guys, you know, yeah, shout out to me, guys. Yeah, shout out to this man, the man, the myth, the legend. Are you live, bro? I mean, if Poop was live, I would have rated him. Okay, let's go through. Bro, you just ignore the viewers? What are you talking about? Ignore the viewers. I respond to almost every single comment. My class is 50% sexist, 30% gays. Is that what you're trying to say? 10% racist, 100% real, no fake. That's kind of nutty, bro. I feel like you need to get out of there. No, I'm not live. Raid my holes. I don't like that sentence, brother. I don't like the way you said that. You barely stream? Yes. But what constitutes... What is streaming? Let's get philosophical. What does streaming mean? Because as long as I'm in your heart, do I really need to stream at all? I'm always there with you. No, this sucks so much. I can't find anybody. Raid my lips. Pressing the start stream button. Oh, well, that's the hard part, man. Oh man, this dude. Oh, well. All right, let's go based off of like just image. What looks cool? The only thing that looks cool is this thing. Theater rehearsals, game dev afterwards. Oh, they're probably just doing. React. No. Oh, maybe this could work. They're doing C++, I think, or something. It says CPP. Are they talking?
Actual chain bear.
Hey, they're talking. That's all I need to see. All right, boys. Let's go by image. What looks cool? A bunch of text editors. Dude, I tried, man. I tried. I saw one cool looking thing and then that was it. All right, anyways, boys. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I'll be hopping in the Discord, so if you guys want to chill over there with me, I'll be there. It'll kind of be like a stream, but in Discord. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I think tomorrow is the 5th, so I don't have anything to do tomorrow. Let me just check my calendar. Let me check my schedule. Because you guys know I'm a busy man. It says that I'm gonna be free between 2 p.m. That's it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sorry, the 5th for me. Cool day so far. Ah, man. You're too far into the future, Dragon. I don't like it. 1 second answer. Wait, what? Bro, you got like 10 seconds. What's the question? You literally have, should I code Jarvis app or use ChatGPT? ChatGPT. Yeah, that's just unfortunate. I tried.
Ashen Lake's video earlier today, and oh my goodness, like the UI was really nice. Well, welcome in, readers. Thank you for the raid, Mike. Let me see if I can get you a shout out.
Aww.
What are you working on? Wait. It's not that. Hold on. There we go. Welcome in, welcome in. Thank you for the raid.
You should.
How are you doing? What were you working on?
Woo! Why'd you just say that?
What are you up to?
Stupid. Say shout out my balls. No, I'm not. I'm not saying that. The fuck.
And if you have anything you
That's
want to
fucked up.
share, more than welcome to. Welcome in, or Lord, he coming. That's one of the best videos ever.
That's.
I hope all y'all are doing well. C++ sucks. That's my piece. Oh dang, well, It's a very valid piece. I can't seem to escape it.
Yeah, feels bad, man. No, wait, am I
Every
still
time
alive
try, I
again?
end up stumbling back
Alright.
into it.
I'll talk to you guys later.
I don't know what keeps happening.
Bye. Bye. Yes,
for those of you, if you don't know
fuck
me,
off.
I
Alright.
usually
Doesn't
spend a lot of
doesn't mean you're
time
right.
playing around with graphics or